Hello, welcome! Today I'm going to be showing you the entire process of me transforming my desk area. My hair is down today if you are a frequent viewer of mine, and usually it's up if you aren't a frequent viewer of mine.
Clap if you care.
I cut my hair to my chin in the summertime and I just didn't like it.
Oh, I feel so bad for you. Are you okay?
I work remotely as a video editor, so I spend most of my time at my desk. So I really needed a space that was comfortable while also, you know, very inspiring, and I feel productive and it's efficient. I don't know, yeah. I'm just really excited to share this with you guys because I love watching people transform their spaces into something very fun. So I hope that you will enjoy it, and yeah. So I had to move everything off of this wall. If you watch my room transformation video, I wouldn't be surprised if you were very annoyed with me moving all of this stuff.
Constantly raising the bar for us all.
I got this contact paper from Walmart and it's a beautiful marbled beige pattern, and I really wanted something to spice up the wall, and this was much cheaper than wallpaper. Will it ruin the walls? I have no idea. Try this at your own risk. So after I moved everything from the other side of the room, here's a photo for reference of what my workspace looked like before. This is now what we were working with. So I used these Ikea Alex drawers dupe I got from Amazon as my pillars for my makeshift standing desk. However, they were still a bit short, so when I stood, I would often get lower back pain.
I was really tapping into some serious acting skills.
They are also horrific quality. Was this builder's error? I don't care. I cried twice building these drawers. I suffered enough, so yes. Also, I have this chair, and when I'm looking at this footage, it actually looks quite comfortable. However, it made my arse feel like this. With that said, it was time for a desk upgrade. So I invested in a standing desk frame from Fully. This is not sponsored. I know it's very popular with the YouTubers these days, which is precisely why I bought it.
Like a damn fool up there.
Constantly raising the bar for us all and doing it flawlessly.
What was that?
On to our next section, I hammered a few things into the wall, the first being this pegboard. I had this in my original setup, but I needed to move it up for the standing desk, and I organized it a bit better. also happened to upgrade my MacBook during this time, and I love it. She's amazing. I upgraded my monitor, and this was on sale at Costco, and it's a curved Samsung 4K monitor. I have zero complaints about this monitor. It was a wonderful price, and it's very beautiful, and it gets the job done, and it's large. So this chair was from Amazon, and it had 0 reviews. It just was so wonderful looking. I had to buy it, and if it was horrible, then that's on me. That's really it for my desk. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!